Hi, my name is Alan Lynch and I'm the Head of Education at Learnsignal. It is important to us that you're successful in your exams, so here are 5 key study techniques to passing your performance management exam. 1. Plan your study. Make sure you have a detailed study plan and stick to it. 2. Study regular and often. 60 to 90 minutes a day for 5 days a week is much better than one long day. 3. Practice questions. Build the knowledge and practice relevant questions as you go. 4. Complete a mock exam. Don't let the first time you attempt the exam be the day of your exam. No 2 subjects are the same. And 5. Examiner reports and articles. Vital information and guaranteed marks are available if you take the advice on offer.